Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Libra. I'm Julia Mikas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Well, hey, Libra. I've got some news about finance and career for you. Jupiter has been traveling along through your eighth house this year and is making a run for the exit over the next couple of months. So that means that any luck and opportunities that Jupiter has been offering you in the realm of debt, credit, also, intimacy, basically shared relationships. But right now I'm focusing on the financial aspect of that. So Jupiter has been bringing you luck and opportunities, including things like, you know, um, a loan that you can actually afford, or opportunities to pay down debt. And he's been doing that all through 2023, but is going to be finishing that. So it's kind of in the next month or two is the last opportunity to really take advantage of that. And Saturn is also traveling along through your sixth house. And Saturn is a planet of discipline and structure. The sixth house is a house of work and service. And so Saturn has been pressing you to begin really organizing your systems and getting things very shipshape in your workplace, whether you're the person in charge or whether you just have a desk, that you want to optimize and have your workflow going really well. So Saturn and Jupiter are working together in a harmonious sextile, and this has been going on since last month, and is going on this month, and it's really your last opportunity to get that support for, simultaneously paying down debt and getting better organized systems in your work life. Now, when it comes to career proper, Saturn traveling through your sixth is really pressing you to get things shipshape. And that could mean things like, updating how you manage your appointments and your calendar, your task lists, how you run projects, your workflows, and organize all of those systems so that they can really facilitate you entering into a flow state is what Saturn is trying to bring you. There is a full moon in Virgo coming on February 23rd. And so you'll feel that within a couple of days surrounding it, like the 2 days before it, and the 23rd itself, and the day after it as well. And this full moon in Virgo is going to bring also Mercury to really have you focus on not just how to organize your systems, but how to balance that flow state I spoke of with analytical thinking so that you can enter and exit that flow state and set up your systems to help you make those transitions as smoothly as possible. Because it's all about balance, right? Um, and another thought that I have is that with Saturn passing through your sixth house over about this 2-year period, you might find that you have to do some trimming, some pruning, some cutting. You might, if you run a business, feel at some point like you have to reduce your expenses, maybe even by letting an employee go. And if that does happen, I think the February 23rd full moon is a good time to do it, but be sure to, conduct that with as much warmth and compassion as you can and leave the door open with that person, for a continued relationship perhaps in the future. So, don't leave any bad karmic breadcrumbs behind you if you find that you have to do that. Hey, Julia, what's up with relationships for the Libras out there?
Well, Libra, there's a big fifth house focus for you this month, and this house rules dating. So, if you're currently in a relationship, it can be a great time to get out there and have some fun with your partner because this is the funnest house. Out of all the houses, everyone loves the fifth house. It
Mm.
rules games, hobbies, places of amusement. So, yeah, just plan something fun. Don't stick at home with your partner. Get out there, have a good time, and it can just be a wonderful boost to just the enjoyment of a relationship. Now, if you're single, there could be some, new matches coming your way because we've got a new moon also happening in this house on the 5th, which can create some new cycles in the dating life, as well as Venus in the 5th too. So again, that can actually help give you a little boost of dating luck during this cycle. Now, Pluto is now fully moved into your 5th house. It's going to dip out one last time, but it's pretty much in your 5th house for a number of years. So this means that your dating needs are changing significantly. No more superficial stuff for you. You want somebody who can match you in depth and intimacy. And you might go through a number of changes until you find that right person for you. So there might be some intensity coming your way in the dating world, but it's only opening up the door for sort of greater intimacy, greater profundity in your relationship life, which, I think you're ready for. Well, that's all we have for you today. And if you enjoyed this horoscope, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.